Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace the LCD display and touchscreen of the Infinix Note 12 G96 X670. First, let's take a quick look at the before and after. So here is the before. And this is the after. As you see, it is already fixed. So there you go. Without further ado, let's get started. So step 1, remove the SIM card tray from the SIM slot. There you go. Next step, removing the back cover. Carefully remove the back cover. Here I use a metal clipper and my nail, and use swipe card to gently pry it open. There you go. Next step, we will remove the cover of the camera using the swipe card. There you go. Next step, we will unscrew the screws securing the back cover using the free tools from the LCD I bought online. So we will unscrew all the screws. Remove all the screws below, screws here. Okay. Next step, we will detach the case using a plastic clipper. So here. Okay. And here, gently. Then gently disconnect the flex cable of the cover from the main board. Next step, we will test the LCD before installation. So we will now detach the LCD flex from the board. Remember testing the display beforehand, ensure the warranty remains intact in case the LCD we bought is defective. So here is the LCD. We will open it. And as you see, there's a sticker here. Please test before installing. So we will now test. We will put on the LCD slot to test it. And we will power on the device to test. There we go. Yes, so it's working. Please check on the description down below where I purchased the LCD screen online. Next, once tested and confirmed working, disconnect the battery flex and carefully remove the battery. So let's remove carefully. There we go. Next step, remove the defective LCD screen by gently detaching its flex cable from the housing. And for the LCD, we will use plastic clipper and swipe card. So gently, there we go. We'll remove it. Okay, other side, and there you go. Okay, LCD has been removed. And next step, cleaning the housing area. Remove any leftover B7000 adhesive. There you go. We will remove all the remaining leftover of B7000 adhesive. Next step, apply a thin layer of B7000 adhesive or paste around the housing and edges. Next step, place the new LCD carefully onto the housing, then reconnect the flex cable to the main board. There you go. And then next step, we will now reinstall the battery and reconnect its flex cable. And next step, we will put back cover and secure it with screws. We will put back all the screws. Then we will reattach the camera cover and back cover with B7000 paste. Put the camera cover. So let's put paste and let's put the back cover. Next step, to ensure everything stays in place, apply masking tape around the edges. Let it sit for several hours or leave it overnight for the best adhesion. So here, I'm putting masking tapes. And there you go for the final step. Power on the device to make sure everything works perfectly. So here I put on charge. There you go, it's charging. And you see, there's a display. Let's power it on. Well, the device is turning on successfully with a clear display. So there you go. So let's try. Okay, it's okay. It's now okay. And there you have it. Your Infinix Note 12 G96 X670 is now as good as new. Remember, patience and gentle handling are key in repairs like this. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech repair tutorials, and hit notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.